Delhi, Singapore. Let's do it, baby. Made it to my gate 9, and now I'm just chilling. This airplane is super nice. Ooh. Oh my god. It's really nice. Got blankets and stuff too. Like, there's no way we're not gonna get fed. No way I'm not gonna get fed. Okay. We got some chicken, jam, bread, chocolate cake, chai masala, and fruit. Made it to Changi International Airport. Got my bag. It's go time. Yo, this is it. Alright, so I finished checking the hostel, cleaned up and stuff. I'm about to go down and meet Barney. Linked up with my boy Barney. What's up? Oh my god. And he got me first thing I see Barney outside the hostel, he gives me these amazing chips. Egg yolk chips. 50 floors. It's Barney's place.
That's where I live.
Hey. Okay.
It's fucking fast, like you feel it. Especially if you go from the first floor.
Alright. Right then. Oh, this way? Barney recommended this stuff. Okay.
咸蛋鸡多少？咸蛋鸡多少？小的。咸蛋鸡12。OK， 给我个小的。Like sometimes I'll mix this chili with the fried rice. Give it some like spice and some kick. Get it. Welcome to my office, man.
Let's go.
It is dark, but this is where
The magic happens.
production team works here. We got sick ass speakers, 2, 4, and 1 sub below.
I thought you said that you didn't have. Wait up.